Since the advent of the first human in space in 1961, more than 600 people have had the privilege of contemplating the vastness of the cosmos. For many, this journey remains a distant and unattainable dream. However, among Thais and other communities around the world, the fascination with space is not limited to historical achievements or technical conquests. It also involves unresolved mysteries, such as sightings of flying saucers and other unexplained phenomena, which capture the public imagination and inspire heated debates. Since Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the Earth in 1961, space exploration has been a field of wonders and mysteries. Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, was launched aboard Vostok 1 and, in 108 minutes, completed an orbit around the planet, opening the doors to a new era of exploration. This extraordinary feat was only the beginning. Since then, the space race has advanced by leaps and bounds, with NASA sending men to the moon and building international space stations that serve as floating scientific laboratories. However, for many people around the world, space is not just a place of scientific and technological achievements, but also a domain of unresolved mysteries. Stories of sightings of unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and unexplained phenomena have captured the popular imagination for decades. Sightings of flying saucers, strange lights in the sky, and reports of extraterrestrial encounters fuel debates and conspiracy theories. This fascination with the unknown extends across various cultures. In Thailand, for instance, there is a rich tradition of legends and myths about space and beings that inhabit other worlds. These stories are passed down from generation to generation, often gaining new details and variations over time. In other places, like the United States, UFO sightings are often associated with specific locations, such as Area 51, which has become synonymous with government secrets and extraterrestrial life. A specific incident has stood out over the past 5 years: the enigmatic incident E98. This singular event resonated not only among space exploration experts but also among conspiracy theorists and extraterrestrial phenomena investigators. Incident E98 occurred on a clear summer night when an unidentified object was spotted in the sky by several witnesses in different locations. The object, described as a bright, pulsating light, performed maneuvers that seemed to defy the laws of physics, moving with a speed and agility that no known terrestrial aircraft could achieve. Authorities initially dismissed the sighting as a natural phenomenon or a military aircraft, but the lack of concrete explanations only heightened the mystery. Aviation and astronomy experts analyzed the available data, but no satisfactory explanation was found. The incident caught the attention not only of UFO enthusiasts but also of scientists and engineers who were intrigued by the possible technological implications. If the object was indeed an extraterrestrial craft, it would suggest the existence of a civilization with a technological level far superior to ours. The trajectory of space exploration from the first manned missions to the complex 20-story space stations is a testament to human ingenuity and the will to explore the unknown. The United States and China, in particular, have shaped this saga with their own distinct marks. While the United States led international efforts for peace and exploration, China made its mark by sending the first lunar calendar into space. Each achievement, however, was accompanied by monumental challenges, from catastrophic life support failures to critical moments in medical missions. Since the era of Gagarin and Neil Armstrong's first steps on the moon, space exploration has evolved dramatically. The first missions were short and focused on proving that humans could survive in space. Over time, the missions became more complex and ambitious. The construction of the International Space Station, ISS, represented a significant milestone, symbolizing global cooperation for science and exploration. The ISS is an orbital laboratory that houses astronauts from various countries, working together on experiments that cannot be conducted on Earth. However, maintaining a continuous human presence in space presents enormous challenges. Microgravity affects the human body in complex ways, from the loss of bone and muscle mass to problems with bodily fluids and vision. Additionally, astronauts must deal with space radiation, which can increase the risk of cancer and other health problems. The United States and China have played fundamental roles in this story. NASA, with its Apollo missions and space shuttle programs, set standards for manned space exploration. China, on the other hand, has advanced rapidly, sending its own space stations and launching ambitious missions to the Moon and Mars. In 2019, China made history by landing the Chang'e 4 probe on the far side of the Moon, a feat never before accomplished. Each space mission is accompanied by a series of technical challenges and risks. Life support failures, mechanical problems, and the need to perform repairs in space are just some of the obstacles astronauts face. Medical missions, in particular, require meticulous planning. Any health problem in space can quickly become critical, given the distance from Earth and the lack of complete medical resources on board. At the epicenter of this narrative, the International Space Station, ISS, emerged as a beacon of global research and cooperation. However, not without its own difficulties. The ISS faces constant technical and psychological challenges, offering a glimpse into the tensions and complexities of life in such a hostile environment as outer space. The ISS is a microcosm of international collaboration, housing astronauts from different countries who work together on scientific experiments. These experiments cover a wide range of disciplines, from biology and physics to material studies and astronomical observations. Microgravity offers a unique environment for research, allowing scientists to study phenomena that cannot be reproduced on Earth. However, living and working on the ISS is not easy. Astronauts spend months in a confined space, away from their families and friends. The lack of privacy and constant proximity to colleagues can create tensions. Additionally, the absence of gravity affects not only the body but also the mind. Studies show that microgravity can influence mood, sleep, and even the perception of time. Technical challenges are equally significant. The ISS is a complex machine that requires constant maintenance. Vital systems such as life support, power, and communication need to function perfectly. Any failure can have serious consequences. In 2010, for example, a cooling system failure forced astronauts to perform a series of risky spacewalks to make repairs. Despite these challenges, the ISS remains a crucial platform for space exploration. It serves as a testing ground for technologies and strategies needed for future long-duration missions, such as trips to Mars. Additionally, the research conducted on the ISS has direct applications on Earth, from the development of new medications to improvements in materials and technologies. Life 300 kilometers above the Earth's surface is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Every routine activity on the space station carries the responsibility for the crew's lives, where the smallest mistake can have devastating consequences. Space stations are, in fact, technological fortresses, where even a simple leak can trigger a fight for survival. Living on the ISS requires an exceptional level of preparation and resilience. Astronauts undergo years of rigorous training before being sent into space. This training includes mission simulations, learning technical and medical skills, and intense physical preparation. They must be ready to handle a variety of emergency situations, from fires to life support system failures. Every day on the ISS is meticulously planned. Astronauts' activities are divided between scientific work, station maintenance, physical exercise, and free time. The exercise routine is essential to combat the effects of microgravity on the body. Without gravity, muscles and bones begin to deteriorate, so astronauts spend about 2 hours a day exercising to maintain their health. Maintaining the station is a continuous task. Life support systems, which include temperature control, air and water recycling, and waste management, need to be monitored and adjusted regularly. Any failure can quickly become an emergency situation. In 2018, an air leak was detected on the ISS, leading to a frantic search for the source of the problem. Fortunately, the leak was found and repaired without major incidents. In addition to technical challenges, life on the ISS also tests the psychological limits of astronauts. Isolation, distance from Earth, and living in a small space can cause stress and anxiety. To mitigate these effects, NASA and other space agencies provide psychological support, including regular communications with family and friends, and recreational activities to help astronauts relax and unwind. Space exploration transcends technical challenges and extends to human resilience. Every astronaut, whether on the ISS or future missions to the moon and beyond, carries not only the responsibility for their own safety but also the hope of new discoveries that could shape the future of humanity. Astronauts are, in many ways, modern explorers. They face significant risks and constant challenges, but also have the opportunity to make discoveries that can transform our understanding of the universe and benefit life on Earth. Science conducted in space has the potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine, materials technology, and fundamental physics. Future space missions promise to be even more ambitious. NASA is planning the return of humans to the moon through the Artemis program, with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence on Earth's natural satellite. The moon will serve as a testing ground for technologies and strategies that will be used in missions to Mars and beyond. Missions to Mars represent the next major leap in space exploration. Sending humans to the Red Planet will be a monumental feat, requiring significant advances in propulsion technology, life support, radiation protection, and mission logistics. Mars is an extremely hostile environment, with freezing temperatures, intense radiation, and a thin atmosphere. However, exploring Mars has the potential to answer fundamental questions about the possibility of life on other planets and the history of the solar system. Stories of heroism and ingenuity in space are a testament to what perseverance and collaboration can achieve, even in the most unexplored confines of the universe. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, every mission is a lesson in humility before the vastness and unpredictability of outer space. The achievements of astronauts and space scientists are inspiring. They show us that, with dedication, collaboration, and innovation, we can overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Every space mission, whether successful or not, contributes to our knowledge and brings us closer to better understanding the universe we live in. Space exploration also reminds us of our own fragility and the need to take care of our planet. The view of Earth from space, a small blue sphere in the vastness of the cosmos, is a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of preserving our home. This is the legacy of modern explorers, individuals who challenge the limits of human knowledge and inspire a new generation to look to the sky with renewed admiration and an unshakable desire to explore the unknown. The legacy of astronauts and space scientists is immense. They have not only expanded our knowledge of the universe, but also inspired generations to dream big and seek the unknown. Children who grew up watching rocket launches and reading about space missions are the scientists, engineers, and explorers of the future. Space exploration will continue to be an essential part of human progress. As we develop new technologies and extend our reach in the solar system, we will continue to face new challenges and make incredible discoveries. The spirit of exploration, combined with human ingenuity, will lead us to new frontiers and help us better understand our place in the universe. With each new advance, whether in the form of a new space station, a mission to Mars, or the discovery of habitable exoplanets, we continue to fuel the flame of curiosity and the desire to explore. This indomitable spirit is what defines humanity and drives us to reach for the stars. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about other inexplicable mysteries around the world, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of new uploads. Share your theories on what could have caused this mysterious event in Guyang in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the unknown.